ones we're going to keep, and these ones are going to the dump.
Well, there you go. Another day of cleaning, picking up rubble and dumping it and putting it all away. Dusty. And this is where I've been dumping all the rubbish.
Thought I'd do a video just for you, Dad. So this is just, there's the front door. 4 tiles. Coming up to, go upstairs, love, there's our, coming up to the 2nd floor. There's a few builders and whatnot down on the 1st floor, so I'll be stuck up here. So window at the top of the stairwell. Stairs going up to the 3rd floor. It's a bit dangerous up there at the moment. This is the 1st bedroom on the 2nd floor. Can't really go in there because we've blocked it off because the floor, you'll see has holes in it. Probably be able to keep that fireplace. I just need to go in and pick up the rest of those tiles. They need to connect this pole right up the top. That's a piece of work we've had done because the building's kind of going sideways, so the pole apparently will hold it together from moving any further. So that will be a bedroom. Hopefully we'll do the flooring in the next couple of weeks. This is where Zara and I hang out a bit. You're going to show us through there? This will be like a den. We got this couch. We got it picked up. Oh, it's just missing a cushion, but it's a very beautiful couch. We're not going to do anything in here until next year, but this will be like a den, and then hopefully in here, at the moment, a bit of a storage room. This will be a bathroom. That's kind of the shared bathroom for the 2nd floor. Those stairs go up to another building, which we haven't even really got our heads round yet. And then this is what we call the blue room. So beautiful floors. These tiles, these hexagon ones, are original and very expensive now, and that we think that they've just laid these ones that are also a bit newer but very expensive and very cool over the top, because the hexagon tiles then continue in that room in there. So this room we won't touch till next year. This bed we bought as well, because I just thought it's so ornate and cool. Massive window there, so that looks down on the kitchen. Well, what's left of the kitchen. Always beautiful blue skies here. I'll help you find it, and this will be a bedroom, and then hopefully we'll turn this one into an ensuite. So plenty of work. This is the second floor, so we won't really do anything until next year or beyond. I think today we're going to try and keep these shutters, because they actually still close quite tightly, and I've ordered a new window for here, but I might try and sand and paint the shutters, which seems a bit premature, but just might brighten things up a bit. So that's my plan for the day, and doing a bit more demo on level 1. Anyway, update just for you, because we won't put all of this on YouTube until a long way away. So there you go, you've had a good detailed exploration of level 2. Anyway, hope you're feeling better, and hope the move to your new place has gone well, and you're feeling settled. And yeah, love you, miss you all, and enjoy my little update. All right, bye. Rob had cleaned up in the room downstairs this morning, and so I thought the builders had moved their ladder, so I was like, oh, I'll just whip up the rest of those tiles. And so then I swept the sand down on the bit that had cleaned up. I wasn't too impressed with that. But then I that wall just kind of popped off and came off. So didn't mean to start that, but we got some good footage. Anyway, I have cleaned it all up, the bit that came off, put it down the hole. So now the room downstairs is a big mess again, so I better go and clean that up. Anyway, progress is happening. I guess they'll come and tighten the rod at some stage. Yeah, that's what we've been up to. Okay. We cleaned up all that rubble, saved some stones, and then Rob's been working on the ivy. Yeah, slow progress, but definite progress. Right, in here we have been just taking off more and more off the walls, which we know we shouldn't be doing level 2, but it's so, it just produces so much rubble, and it's so easy to just chuck it down the hole and clean it up from down there, and it's gone. And it's so much easier to come off. We don't need the hammer drill to be in here. Right, downstairs, Rob's been chipping away, but without the hammer drill. It's just it is just impossible. So Friday we'll be in here taking it down, and then we can rip this down. I've measured up the kitchen, I've measured up there for floorboards, so that still needs a lot of work in here.